Music is powerful. It's the soundtrack of our lives, and for many riders, it's a big part of their riding experience. There's no sooner or later, there's only now. So why settle for anything less than the best factory-backed system you can get for your Indian motorcycle? With our newly redesigned Powerband audio system, we've answered the demands of riders who expect a lot from a premium sound system. And because Powerband audio is factory designed and engineered, it seamlessly integrates into the Bluetooth-ready Ride Command infotainment system for an easy-to-use, customizable experience. Today, I'm standing in front of an Indian Pursuit Dark Horse that's fully loaded with 800 watts of Powerband audio. From tip to tail, this bike has been upgraded at every possible location with Powerband speakers to deliver an immersive experience that's expertly designed to cut through wind, road, and throttle noise. On this bike, we've got 8 Powerband speakers total, 2 in the upper fairing, 2 in the lower fairings, 2 in the trunk, and 2 in the saddlebags. Plus, each speaker features an integrated tweeter to produce what every rider wants: big bass, clean mids, and crisp highs. Let's walk through some of the key features. More bass is always better, until it destroys overall sound quality. In addition to doubling the power that runs to each speaker from 50 watts to 100 watts, Powerband speakers are now tuned with bass boost for extra deep bass lines and ultra crisp melodies. The new tune creates an impressive difference between the standard system and a Powerband system. It's also important to note that speakers need enclosure volume to achieve maximum bass output. Your saddlebags offer the most volume, so that upgrade is going to be your biggest game changer when it comes to bass output. This new generation of Powerband also features a new look for the speakers. They have a chiseled, modern look that clearly makes the statement that you've upgraded your standard system. Not only are these speakers more stylish with a titanium-plated dome, they're rugged and water-resistant with an ultra-coat sealing that protects them from water, dirt, and debris. Powerband continues to boast several features that riders love. With smart speaker technology, your bike's Ride Command infotainment system automatically recognizes when Powerband speakers are installed and immediately upgrades your audio menu. You'll also notice a new 9-band equalizer within the audio menu. You can fully customize your settings to dial in the levels for your favorite music. With Powerband, you also get dynamic EQ for great sound that travels. How your audio sounds at a variety of speeds, from cruising in town to crushing highway miles, is critical to the experience. Powerband auto-optimizes in real time for the highest quality audio at every speed. Plus, Power Curve technology further enhances your bass output at low speeds. Finally, let's talk about quality and installation. The same factory engineers who designed your bike are the ones that designed the Powerband system. As riders themselves that also extensively test these products, they built a high-performing system that will last. That means features like power supply temperature protection, which actively monitors circuit temperature and adjusts to prevent internal damage or system shutdown in extreme heat conditions. And while your Powerband volume controls do in fact go up to 11, these smart speakers are never overdriven or over-distorted under any conditions. The Powerband team also prioritized an easy, hassle-free installation experience for our dealerships and riders. When installing a Powerband system, there's no wire cutting or extra amps, brackets, or harnesses required. And of course, this system comes with a factory warranty that protects your investment. When you're ready to upgrade your audio experience, there's only one system that Indian Motorcycle can stand behind, and that's Powerband Audio.